My name is Leonard Bryan. I'm here to support like we do need to work to take back our communities and work with the problems. Well, we need to work with these problems to work into solutions. The first thing we must do, and we've heard this many times before, leaders are here for a reason, but leaders must have ideas. Leaders must have ideas that work to solve problems. If you have leaders and they do not present ideas that solve problems, then those leaders need to be replaced.
Right.
That's our first problem. Most of our leaders need to be replaced. How do we do this? We do this by, we must get the supporters who come to these meetings, who listen to the radio. We must get these like-minded people to work together. What is that togetherness? We have one mind working for on a commitment to uplift our black community. You know, educational way, spiritual way, for the righteousness of the total community. Right now we do not have that. We have many talkers but not doers. We must organize, and we must organize in our neighborhoods. People like-minded, and then we must have meetings. We must go and organize back to the churches that want to work with the community, and then work through those churches, and then have an agenda, and then bring our politicians in who should be the leaders of this, not me. I should not be here doing this. We should have leaders who already have put this in place. But as I said, we do not have leaders. And then put in a situation where we're able to grade those leaders. First, we need to let them know what we need them to do, and then grade them on it. And if they're not doing that, we need to replace them. Right now, we need to get together and go in our communities. We know most of the people in our community. We know who are doing these robbings. We know who are committing these crimes. All you have to do is go in the community and talk to people. Then we need to go and talk to those parents. First, try to support those parents.
Support them.
Right. Not as the police, but as a support to let them know we are here to work on a solution to help them, to change their mindset where they see crime as a way out rather than education. Work with them in jobs. Try to work with them in getting a job. Okay. And then if not, then we must take back our community in terms of doing what we need to do to confront and combat the situation.